Hello, children. How are you? Very good morning. Hope all are well. Uh, Before start this topic, I will request you please subscribe, like, and more share, and press red button. Here we will discuss about our wonderful body, class third, part three. Part one and part two already discussed in previous video. In previous video, link always uh, put up in this video description box. So you can easily find out. So without any wasting time, start and come will topic our wonderful body part 3. Here we will discuss about brain, muscles, small intestine and cartilage. This is a class 3rd CBSE and CRT pattern taken from NCRT books, and some points for children very knowledgeable topic and very easy language used for this content. And draw here brain. You can easily draw in your notebook for little children which are studied in third standard. So here start with topics our wonderful body part 3. Brain. The brain is the organ that controls our body. Brain is the organ that controls our body. Brain, this is a brain. Brain is a controlling power of body. All body parts controlled by the brain. So here is a brain. This diagram only for little kids, and this is a very easy way describe here for little kids which studied in third standard. Brain. The brain is the organ that controls our body. This is the brain. And next point, muscles. Muscles are soft parts that help us to move our body. Our body movement occurs by muscles. Muscles is a very soft part in our body, present in our body. Okay, so our body movement occurs by muscles. Muscles are soft parts that help us to move our body. So our body movement occurs by muscles. Muscles are soft parts that help us to move our body. Comes the third point, the small intestine. The small intestine, which is one of the organ where digestion take place. Okay, the small intestine, which is a one of the organ where digestion take place, 22 feet long in adult. It is coiled up in our abdomen. Okay, the small intestine length 20 feet long in adults. It is coiled up in our abdomen. Coiled up. So here, this is this point. The small intestine discuss about for little third standard student. So please listen carefully and note down this content in your notebook and draw your brain diagram. The small intestine, which is one of the organ where digestion take place. Digestion, all digestion process take place in small intestine. Already keep in your mind and listen carefully. The digestion take place in small intestine. The small intestine, which is the one of the organ where digestion take place, is 22 feet long in adults. It is coiled up in our abdomen. Next, which is the cord in our body, which actually is soft material with which is by bones or made up of cartilage. Question number 1. Which is cord in our body, which actually is the soft material which baby bones are made up of? Cartilage. Baby bone made up of cartilage. Baby child's, the bones of baby child made up of cartilage. Okay, so which is the cord in our body which actually is soft material with which baby bones are made up of cartilage? Answer होगा cartilage. So baby bones of baby made up of cartilage. So here Let's revise our wonderful body CBSE class 3rd part 3. Part 1st and 2nd already discussed in previous video. Here we will discuss about part 3. It's firstly taken in first brain. The brain is the organ that control our body. This is a brain. Muscles are soft part that help us to move our body. The movement of body occurs by muscles. Okay, this is a soft part in our body. The small intestine, which is one of the organ where digestion take place. In our body, in all human body, or digestion take place in small intestine. This is a 22 feet long in adults. It is coiled up in our abdomen. Okay, and third question sometime arise in our mind, which is the part in our body which actually is the soft material with which baby bones are made up of? Cartilage. So bones of baby, which baby bones are made up of? Cartilage. So we will finish this video. Before finishing this video, please, I will request you again, please subscribe, like and more share. Press red button and be safe. Take care, think positive, do positive, defeat to coronavirus and stay in home. And in previous video link I will put up in this video description box. You can easily find out. So please subscribe my channel, and any query put up in my email and by messaging, and contact with me on my WhatsApp number. And any question, without hesitation, you can ask any question. I will give you answer. Okay, so take care, be happy. Bye bye.